Welcome! In this video we are going to take a look at two things. First, we will measure the FPS for a 16, 32 and 128 resolution texture pack. The second thing we are going to take a look at is how you can download and import free texture packs to use in Minecraft. Here we go! So, to get somewhat comparable results when testing the FPS for different texture packs, I built a railway that will let us move in the same way for all different tests. I then ran each test for 5 minutes, first with the vanilla 16, then Faithful 32 and Optimum Realism with 128 × 128 resolution texture packs. During the test I kept the same graphic settings for all different texture packs. The vanilla texture pack got a stable 60 FPS. Minecraft 1.19 has a new setting for the max FPS limit, but unfortunately it is not working on iPad or iOS. The Minecraft app pretty much limits the FPS to 60. The second test with 32 × 32 resolution texture pack also performed well with a similar steady 60 FPS. And finally, the 128 resolution texture pack ran with a steady 60 FPS as well. This is really nice as it means that you can play with pretty much any resolution texture pack and not bother too much about how it will affect your gaming performance. Awesome! In order to install a free texture pack for Minecraft Pocket Edition, you will first have to find some kind of website that offers free texture packs. I personally use mcpedl.com. Here you can browse or search for different texture packs, and when you find one that you want, you have to locate the download link to download the texture pack file. If you are using Safari, you will find the downloaded file by pressing the little icon right here. It will open your downloads folder in the Files app, and there you will see your file. Note the mcpack file ending. This means it's a Minecraft texture pack, and if you press the file, it will open in Minecraft. Though many of the free texture pack files you download will get an error that looks like this. Oh no! But don't worry guys. If you get this error, there is another way to import the texture pack. Simply select a file in the downloads folder, press move, go to On My iPad, Minecraft, Games, com.mojang and select the resource packs folder. Press copy. You can then navigate to the folder and verify it got copied. Nice. Now simply restart the Minecraft app. Go to the settings, global resources, and your resource pack should be right there in the My Packs tab. Press it and select activate. Then go back to the start menu and your texture pack should be loaded. Very nice, good job. Nice. Now enter your world and check out your new resource pack. Looking good. If you by mistake install some texture pack that is broken, makes your game look weird or makes it not work, then you can simply navigate back to the resource pack folder, delete the resource pack file and restart Minecraft. Everything should now be back to normal, easy peasy. Well guys, that was all for this video. Let me know if there is anything you want me to test on the Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch M2 model. Like this video and subscribe so that we can meet again in the next video. Happy New Year and bye bye!
お前はもう死んでいる。何？